How to set notification and ringtones in WhatsApp on Android smartphone. This audio video post uploaded for learning and informational purpose and read description also. Open WhatsApp, then select vertical three-dot icon in top right corner. Select setting. Under settings, select notifications option. First option, conversation tone. Select it to turn on or off it. This option helps to control incoming and outgoing message tone during chat to turn on or off it. Under message option in notifications, select notification tone and choose a system default notification tone. Also can select from smartphone storage or SD card or memory card if available. Also can choose vibrate mode, pop-up notification light, use high priority notification, show preview of notification at the top of the screen. Also the same option is available for WhatsApp groups. Under calls option in notification, can choose ringtone from system default ringtones. Also select above custom, select from files. Select a file from smartphone storage or memory card, SD card if available, and also vibration mode is available to choose for calls in WhatsApp. Log on to our videos digital.blogspot.com. So thanks for watching or listening or reading.